Who goes to a store to buy a specific product? Why are you laughing? I'm so sorry. And buys more because it's on sale? Or do you use a car to go somewhere nearby just because you're too lazy to walk? I'm sure most of you, or maybe all of you, have done that. And do you know that all of that contributes to overconsumption? I'm Keiko from Noble Academy, and I'm here to spread awareness about overconsumption. We should start with consuming, which is using resources to satisfy material and non-material needs. It helps us to be more convenient in so many ways and give us a more varied diet, personal comfort, and mobility. Well, we live in a world that naturally associates people's well-being or success with materials. So, material goods also signifies how other and we view ourselves. For example, houses, cars, and clothes, and also foods are often connected to a person's social status. The saying more is better than less is what most of us have heard. Well, it's true in some aspects, but not in this one. People tend to consume more for their basic needs, to satisfy their desires, or just to be more attractive, their identity, their dignity, or their habits. As good as buying more things because you have money to do so sounds, you're still not good if you're wasting the things you buy. According to the European Environment Information and Observation Network, overconsumption is excessive consumption or use of goods and services which includes energy, land, water, and materials that cause harm or detrimental effects to humans and or the environment. Now, let's see the things that contributes to overconsumption and the environmental problems and what they cause. First is the fast fashion industry. This industry uses rapid production to make cheap clothes that fit into trends. Because the quality of these clothes is very low, they go bad quickly and get thrown away, which causes textile waste and pollutes everything from land to water. Then we have food waste, which is obvious. Many consumers buy more food than what they need and throw away leftovers and spoiled food. Next, we have electronic waste, which is also one of the biggest contributors. I know most of you or your friends always desire the latest gadgets, whether phones, cameras, computers, and a lot more. This creates a huge amount of waste, and this doesn't only cause environmental and health risk. Yeah. I'm so sorry. Environmental risk, but it also cause health risk when they're not properly disposed of. Number 4 is single-use products. Single-use products are often used for convenience, yet they aren't sustainable and contribute to overconsumption and pollution to the environment. With this, Jakarta's 34% of waste was from plastic waste in 2019. That year, about 85,000 tons of plastic bags were discarded. Next is the developing urban sprawl, which is the spread of urban development such as houses, office buildings, shopping centers, and other things in a less developed and dense land. It caused water and air pollution and, more importantly, overconsumption of land. Last but of course not the least, as it is one of the most significant contributor to overconsumption, is energy consumption, or how much we use energy. Such as transportations, air conditioners or heaters, gas, electricity, and so on. Now, how do we reduce overconsumption? Well, we could start by, buying a fewer products but with better quality, buying secondhand, using public transport, reducing food waste, reducing electricity use, and stopping our use of single-use products. For example, use reusable water bottles, washable cloth instead of paper towels, and many other reusable products instead of single-use ones. You probably have heard of these small solutions repeatedly, and it's true now that our ways are either the problem or solution to overconsumption. Now, I ask you to choose more carefully and be more aware. Change the small things you do and how you live. And always remember that small things make a significant change. Thank you.